We'll be studying house significations. Significations of house are very necessary. One should understand the house significations. What numbers that are written here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the houses, right? This is house number 1, house number 2, house number 3, house number 4, house number 5, house number 6, house number 7, house number 8, house number 9, house number 10, house number 11, and house number 12. So this chart is a North Indian chart, or we call it as a diamond chart because of its dimension. Unless and until we understand the significance, we won't be able to predict. We have seen rashis, planets, and now we are looking at a blank chart. This is a blank chart, right? Don't consider these numbers. They are just the houses that you have to consider. This first one is a first house. The box here, you have to consider it as a second house. The box here, you have to consider it as a third house in such a way. So now there is a rule for this, and there's a golden rule for this. You may write it down, okay? Or should I write it? Okay, let me write it down so that you may understand it well. We'll rub it later. So, golden rule, right? What the golden rule says? That it says that 12th house negates the first house. Okay, now what does this mean? When I say 12th house negates the first house, now let me explain you that this first house is for self, right? This first house is self, we, the native, right? So the 12th house will be from here. You have to count it anti-clockwise. In South Indian chart, the houses move clockwise, while in this, it moves in anti-clockwise. So first house, this, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. So this house, 12th house, will negate the first house. What I mean to see hereby is the loss of an individual can be seen from 12th house. For this house, the second house, the 12th house will be first one, correct? So our golden rule is 12th house negate the first house. We'll see more on this, right? And one more thing I want to say. This rule is occasional. Occasionally applied. And what is that rule? That okay, this rule is not apply everywhere. Third house multiplies the effect of first house. I'll explain you how. Now let's see. This is for first house, we ourselves, right? So the house number 2, family. House number 2 is family, right? Now what we are saying, looking at, okay, let me tell you one more thing here. What we are going to look at? Relatives. Significance is relatives, our activity, relatives, our lifetime relatives, whoever it may be. From this chart, we can tell about each and every relatives, okay, in one's life. Second is our activity. Whatever activity we will be doing throughout our life can be set from this chart. And third one is our body parts. So we'll be studying it from three perspectives or three standards, or these are will be the our significance. Okay, so we are looking right now from the relatives. Okay, so now what I said earlier, occasionally apply the third rule, multiply the effect of first house. So if this is self, okay, so third one will be this. This will be of younger siblings, right? And this house will be for elder siblings. Like before we came, before our birth, first our elder siblings came. Then multiplied we came. And after us, younger siblings. Right? So the very next elder, the very next younger. Likewise, you have to keep on multiplying. Now when this is family, the fourth house is for mother. This house will be first child. Yeah, this house will be for first child. Now see, this is self, right? And this is your younger sibling, the third house. So can you guess what is this house? Here we have mother, so mother's elder sibling. Sorry, mother's younger. Right? If here is the mother sibling, where will be the elder sibling be? Exactly. Here it will be the elder sibling, elder sibling of mother. Yeah. Now, this is self. So this will be your spouse. Now, what is the logic behind this? What is the logic behind this? That why this is considered as a spouse? See, this half 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are half, right? And the other half is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this part belongs to spouse, right? This is the remaining half. So you remember the avatar of Ardhanarishwar, Shivji, okay? You can resemble to this, right? Half will be ours, and from here is of spouse. So if this is our family, this will be our in-laws. This will be our in-laws. Okay. Now, here there is one twist.